here's some simple energy-efficient hacks that could help you save money. And with a smart meter's display, you'll know just how much.
Hang your washing outside when you can. Putting laundry on a drying rack near an open window will also do the trick. When British summertime isn't playing ball, a dehumidifier can help. Place it next to the drying rack and the warm air will speed up the drying process. Although slower than tumble dryers and heated air racks, they are likely to be less energy hungry. Summer stains are guaranteed. Rather than using your machine for a pre-rinse, treat the stains the good old-fashioned way by leaving them to soak overnight. Give it a sniff. Does it really need washing? Reduce your number of loads by only washing the essentials.
Using a smart meter's display helps you keep track of your household energy usage. And by making the most of these summer hacks, you can have more control over the energy you're using and reduce your bills.